Installing new windows is a great way to enhance the aesthetics, energy efficiency, and comfort of your home in Jacksonville Beach. Whether you're replacing old windows or upgrading to a new style, this project requires careful planning and proper installation to ensure the best results. However, there are common mistakes that many homeowners make when installing windows, which can lead to costly repairs, energy inefficiency, and other issues. Here's a guide to the most frequent pitfalls and how you can avoid them to achieve a flawless window installation. Neglecting to choose the right window style. Jacksonville Beach has a unique coastal climate that demands windows capable of handling humidity, salt air, and the occasional storm. One of the most common mistakes homeowners make is selecting the wrong window style or material that isn't ideal for the region. For example, wooden windows, though attractive, may warp or rot over time due to moisture exposure. Instead, consider opting for materials like vinyl or fiberglass that offer better resistance to the elements. Additionally, consider energy-efficient window options, especially those with double or triple panes, to keep your home comfortable year-round. Windows with low E coatings can help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Choosing the right style for your home's aesthetic is just as important as ensuring the material is durable for coastal weather. Improper measurement. Taking precise measurements is crucial for a successful window installation. One of the most frequent errors is not measuring the window openings correctly. An incorrect measurement can result in gaps around the window frame, which can cause air leaks, water intrusion, and poor insulation. Before ordering new windows, take the time to measure the height, width, and depth of the opening, allowing for proper clearance and space for flashing. If you're unsure about how to measure accurately, it's always best to consult a professional. The experts can also inspect the window frame to ensure that it's square and level before proceeding with the installation. DIY installation without expertise. While DIY projects can be fulfilling, window installation is often best left to professionals, especially in coastal areas like Jacksonville Beach where the risks of water infiltration and wind damage are higher. Many homeowners underestimate the complexity of window installation, thinking they can handle it on their own. However, improper installation can lead to a number of issues, such as leaks, poor insulation, and compromised structural integrity. Hiring an experienced professional ensures that your windows are installed correctly, following local building codes and safety regulations. They can also offer guidance on selecting the best window type for your specific needs, making sure the installation is done right the first time. Overlooking weatherproofing and sealing. One of the most critical steps in window installation is ensuring that the windows are properly sealed and weatherproofed. Poor sealing around the window frame can lead to drafts, water leaks, and increased energy costs. It's essential to use high-quality caulk, foam sealant, or weather stripping to fill any gaps and ensure a tight seal. In Jacksonville Beach, where humidity levels are often high and the risk of rain is common, proper weatherproofing is even more important. Make sure the installation crew applies a weather-resistant flashing around the windows to prevent water from seeping into the walls. Skipping window frame inspection. Before installing new windows, it's essential to inspect the existing window frames for damage. Over time, wood or metal frames can deteriorate due to exposure to moisture, insects, or age. Installing new windows in an old, damaged frame can compromise their performance and longevity. If you notice any signs of damage, such as rotting wood, rust, or warping, have the frames replaced or repaired before proceeding with the window installation. This will ensure that the new windows have a stable foundation and are less prone to future issues. Not considering long-term maintenance. While new windows can enhance the appearance of your home and improve energy efficiency, it's essential to think about long-term maintenance when choosing your windows. Opt for windows that are easy to clean and maintain, especially considering the coastal environment of Jacksonville Beach, where salty air can cause buildup on window panes. Vinyl windows, for instance, are low maintenance and do not require frequent painting or sealing, making them ideal for homes near the coast. Additionally, choosing windows with UV-resistant coatings will help protect your home's interior from sun damage. Conclusion: installing windows in your Jacksonville Beach home can be an exciting and rewarding project when done correctly. By avoiding these common mistakes, such as improper measurements, choosing the wrong materials, attempting DIY installation, neglecting weatherproofing, ignoring frame inspections, and failing to consider long-term maintenance, you can ensure that your windows provide lasting value and comfort for years to come. Consulting with a professional window installer who understands the specific challenges of coastal homes can make all the difference in achieving a smooth, successful installation. With the right approach, you'll enjoy the benefits of beautiful, energy-efficient windows that will protect your home from the elements and enhance its overall appearance.